Yeah. Freakish episode ya kabiri aracyari Sankara ba Premier aho twagaruke mugenzi burahazi wa musore Groove mugenzi we Laili amubwira ngo bose bari we birahererahe nako ntago bariyo bapfuye aracyari Sankara ba Premier umva nyuma gane mukisike bana dutanya episode ya kabiri ya Freakish Skia Jafi
I want to be your role.
Romeo
I can't wait to marry you. Toi mon bébé.
Right.
24/7 utuma mbahoneza. Toi mon bébé. Ukuri simbe.
Yeah, Simbesha.
I just wanna be there.
Right.
For you.
For you.
For you.
Let's go. Baise Freakish. Atagira chikwa. Aracyari Sankara ba Premier umva. Kuva muri GT Business Group. Bameza mbabwira ko izi filime n'ahandi wasanga jya kuri wa eshatu akadomo igiti akadomo net ya filime kuzireba n'ubuntu kuri ya website aho waburi hose waburi mu Rwanda, America, Australia, everywhere ahantu hari hose. The free movie tree for real. Bana Skia right
Kuva wazuzi manu utamu kiwa bara na mambo shida zako nizo zangu baby ndagukunda ngakwirata nanone mwasama mahuri
ati urisa
Girl, I
wanna be a Romeo
cause I've been waiting touching loving now I'm lucky
Skia Sinyiruza waraje ndabana
cause I've been waiting touching loving now I'm lucky mama
I just wanna be there for you.
Let's go. Aracyari da Premier for real. Atobigeze ndagusara. Right. Chane. Atine ndagusara.
Kurikira filime zisobanuye ku rubuga wa eshatu akadomo igiti akadomo net za Sankara da Premier.
Bose na uva kwizima. Cyari Sankara the one and only.
Dylan Kabaka.
Sibyo? Yes, so mutwe. Indege rutosho. Shaka kwigaraganya gukoma kantu. Yo mwe twadeni Kabaka.
Na Junior GT.
Konya Irani. Abakura mu nzira. Nitwa Juju. Giti w'igipetiji.
Filme zose wifuza ku buntu. igiti.net. The free movie tree.
Ubushakashatsi bugaragaza ko abantu batuye isi byibura 75% bitabira ibikorwa bihuza imbaga nko kwiga, gusenga, gusohoka, amakwe n'ibindi byinshi. Ariko 12% barubahwa bakarangaza benshi kubera imyambarire yabo myiza kandi igezweho. Tera intambwe uno munsi winjire mu isi y'abasirimu, abanyamideli n'abatsaperi. Wambikwe na Bubuna Store, abahanga mu gutegura ibyangwe byiza kandi bigezweho. Bubuna Store, we make you smart in just a snap. Ambara berwa.
Ya Bubuna Store Girls Heaven. Bakorera hariya muri Shike hariya do ucinjira gutya rutambitswe ku munguni hariya. Ya kandi namusobanukiwe neza hamagara kuri nimero uri kubona kuri ekra yawe bakurangira. Do hariya muri Shike munguni hariya gutya. Hariya neza bagiye imyenda myiza pe mbeshye se. Kandi sibyo gusa uramutse ubakeneye kwamaza hamagara kuri izo nimero icyo wabukora cyose wabucuza cyangwa se ibindi bya byose ushaka kumenyekanisha wahamagara kuri izo nimero tukabigufashamo cyane.
Previously on Freakish.
Inchamake kuri Freakish.
Previously on Freakish.
Tanya episode ya kabiri.
Who the hell are you?
Urinde. Netwa
Grover Jones.
Grover Jones.
And why would you show up to Saturday to
Ngize myiza gufata ibintu nk'abandi bose.
when you don't have?
Kandi utagomba kuburi hano. Shaka ya kuki coach. Byoza nibyo twabonye ziri ncamake za episode ya mbere.
Chemical plant's on fire.
At chemical plant yafashwe n'umuriro. Twabonye aturika mugenzi. Yuka bibikwira kagigi kose.
No, you can't go out at night.
Nta murugomba gusohoka.
People know.
Hatagira umuntu sokara abivumbuye barasohoka. Iminara ibura amarezo. Sasa Lairi.
What happened to you?
Mwana byagenze bite? Aro twagarukiye. Nibwatinze bazanye karanga hakuno.
Beating like a drum.
Mutima uri matera nk'ingoma.
But he doesn't have a fever
ako nta muriro afite
or a cough or anything like a
agakorora nta kibazo
normal sick person.
baza ari umuntu urwaye bisanzwe
That is not a normal sick person.
ntabwo arwaye bisanzwe mwana
Kid needs a hospital.
mwana akeneye kujyanwa kwa muganga
You don't know if the hospital's still there.
yewe nta nubizi ko wasanga hari n'ivuriro rigikora
Lyle, can you hear me?
yewe uranyumva Kyle
Tell us what you saw.
watubwira ibyo wabonye
Lyle, stay with me.
Lyle umbwira gumana nanjye
Here. Did he say anything to you?
hari ikintu yaba yakubwiye mbere yuko se aza nakakinjira wibuka akamubwira ngo bose bapfuye all are dead tangira kwibuka bose bapfuye arahakana ewe nta kintu yambwiye ariko unahakanye
Said something, didn't he?
hari icyo yaba yakubwiye
What did he say?
hasi watubwiye niba ari icyo yavuze
I mean, yeah, he spoke. I just couldn't
yavuze gusa
understand him.
ntabwo nasobanukiwe ibyo yavugaga kobwa arabona byanga byakunda aricyo abahisha uburyo ahakanye kobwa aramukurikira ni Grover
You're lying.
uri murambeshye
No, I'm not lying.
ntabwo mbeshye ariko
Stop.
ndekera
Whatever he said, I can handle it.
ibyo yavuze byose abantu twabasha kuburyo twabikontorora n'uburyo twabyitwaramo
Look,
reba hano
I don't want anybody in this place to panic.
ntabwo nshaka abantu bari hano bose bicwa n'ubwoba
I'm not the panicking type.
yewe rero njye ntabwo ndi umuntu waparika cyangwa ngo ningire ubwoba mbwira yakubwiye iki
He said everybody was dead.
yambwiye ngo buri muntu wese wagiye hanze yapfuye sasa uyamubwiza
He was
ukuri
trying to tell you something?
yewe niba yagerageza kugira icyo akubwira
Yeah.
yego
Tell me what it was like outside.
natambwira uko byari bimeze hanze azunguza umutwe nta mbaraga
Did you see?
hata wabonye nshataga kubwira umurwayi nabi Mirail zunguza igitanda yewe
Come on, dude. He didn't say much before. I don't
nta
think
kintu yavuze gihambaye
he's gonna start speaking now.
kandi kuri mazunguza igitanda ntabwo biri tume avuga nonaha
The kid's right. Leave him alone.
wereka umwana ameze nabi mureke wenyine
He's our only link to what's going on outside.
yewe nawe wenyine waduha amakuru y'ibiri kujya mbere ngo tumenye ibyo hanze bimeze
Guys,
bavandi
he's on our own.
hano ndi bazanye
Addie?
andi nawe yafashwe
Damn.
mwanda
More like her upstairs.
abandi bameze nka nabo bari hejuru sasa hari n'abandi bafashwe nabo binjiye mu kigo nako binjiye mu ishuri bahise freakish turi kureba episode ya kabiri nakubwira cyane Sankara na premier wumva sasa n'abandi bafashwe baragiye babakura hanze aho barari hejuru babazana hakuno mu kadotwari hey filimi iraha byaba ngo nyamwanga kumva neza gukora iki
What could have happened to them out there?
kereka umuntu yaba yamenyaga icyababaye wari hanze
Staying inside was the smart move.
ugumana indani mu kigo byari byiza
Question is, for how long is it smart?
ibyo si cyo kibazo ikibazo turagumana indani igihe kingana iki
Until somebody comes to find us.
bakereka ntihagira umuntu uza akava hanze akagira icyo dutangariza abava yose nurebe uko babaye urumva hari abazima bari hanze
They smell like they've been eating trash.
ibisa nkaho noneho turi bugera tukanarya n'umwanda
Maybe they have been.
nabo siko byatangiye
Back here.
hasi ikibazo cyari iki
Might be the only place left.
wasanga hariho ubw'ubuhungiro busigaye nta bundi buhungiro bwari
You really think that?
akeka ariko bimeze se
The explosion was huge.
haturitse byari uguturika guhambaye
Who are you and why are you trying to scare people?
hasi wowe urinde uri ku buryo wakanga abantu
I'm someone who'd rather understand reality
njye ndakeka ndi umuntu urimo asobanukirwa ukuri uko ibintu byifashe
than play pretend.
hakurya ngo nigire nkaho nta kintu ndi kubona ahantu niba haturitse twibirenzaho ngo wenda hanze haraza kuva umuntu tumenye ko turi mu kibazo ahubwo dushaka umuti ni uwuhe
Come here, relax.
yewe tuza nawe nkiterana amagambo
You really think nobody else is left?
none so cyeka ari umuntu waba yakize
No, look.
yewe murebe hano
There's no way anybody could know that.
yewe nta wabimenya ko nta n'umwe ajya hanze nonaha abanyeshuri nka bangahe bagarutse bose babaryamisha hano
Anything?
yewe hari icyo waba wabonye
These old radios tend to have battery issues.
iradiyo nayo irashaje ntabwo bavuga ko ifite batiri ikora neza
You seem like the kind of guy who could fix something like that.
ese wifite confidence yuko watunganya iyo radiyo
You know who I am.
ese wabuze ubundi we niba ko ntayitunganya
Everyone in the school knows who you are.
abantu bose hano mu kigo bazi ubu
Guy who ripped someone off.
I try to judge people for myself.
njye ntabwo njya ncira abantu imanza ariko
So what's your verdict?
none uratangaza iki uhagaze
Excuse me?
nyanganira
On me.
ku ruhande rwanjye
What's your verdict on me?
njye urancira rubanza uri kuri ruhande hano nshoboye gukora radiyo simbishoboye karicara
Haven't decided yet.
yewe ntabwo ndafata umwanzuro
I know who you are too. You're quite good.
nakubona ukina ariko uri umuhanga cyane mu byo ukora
Thank you.
urakoze
Your vibrato needs some work. but your technique is impressive.
atabandi babakeneye ababafasha ariko wowe tekinike ze ziratangaje.
How long do you think before they send someone searching for us?
Ese rakeka ratadusigaje igihe kingana iki mbere yuko abantu baza kudushaka? Hano hari abagifite icyizere ko hanze hari abakize bazaza kubashaka.
They're likely devoting most of their resources to the fire. It would be complicated to put out because
na wamenye uko bimeze bite na ruriya ruganda rwagiye gushingwa hano kuba n'iminara yabuze unuza sinyare nta wahamya ko hari abantu barokotse bashaka kuza kudutabara. Hata ababyeyi banjye bose bakoraga kuri ya chemical plant
on a Saturday.
no kuwa gatandatu se barakora?
Probably not.
Ntabwo bakora kuwa gatandatu.
He's never productive.
Rero nta mpamvu guhangayika nacyo bijya bimara burya.
Worried?
Wese bivuze ngo ntabwo uhangayitse?
Really?
Seriya ntabwo uhangayitse?
You don't have anyone out there to care about?
Hariya hanze nta muntu mwene wanyu basi ugirira impuhwe cyangwa witaho ku buryo wahangayikishwa nuko yabagize ikibazo?
To answer your previous question,
ati abakobwa none ngusubiye ikibazo uri murambaza.
take them a few days at the least before anyone looks for us.
Ati se mbere yuko ibyo biba byose hari umuntu uza kugusura ku ishuri?
Probably more.
Bitekerezeho. Guhangayika nta kibazo bikemura. Reba ukuntu hanze yahindutse. Sasa hano kwa munyeshuri urana icyuma mu kigo nabaza hakuno. Ndani abandi aho bari byabacanze. Uyu ni icyuma hakuno. Tayari. Yewe umeze neza?
Why aren't you helping in the shelter?
Hasi kutari hamwe abandi bari uri mu biki?
Well, thought somebody should act as guard.
Natekereje ko abari ugomba gukora nk'umusekirite.
Right.
Umusekirite?
Right, so you're guarding everybody.
None urimo aracungira buri umwe umutekano.
Yeah, somebody should be up here just in case more come.
Naketse ko umwe yaguma hano wenda mu gihe abandi baturuka hanze bateza ibibazo.
Just being helpful.
So muze gufasha abandi.
Yeah.
Niko bimeze bro.
You don't believe me?
Ntabwo unyizera se?
Say that.
Ntabwo byari byo mvuze ariko.
Aren't you helping in the shelter your friends down there?
None se ko tutagiye gumana n'abandi aho bari bashuti bawe?
Addie would understand.
Yewe nkora ibyo sobanukiwe.
You bailing on it?
Tangiye kusanga ubacishamo ijisho se.
Don't know what's wrong with them.
Yewe nta nuzi ikibazo bafite bari hariya barwaye.
Could be contagious.
Wasanga n'umwuka wari guhumeka nawe wakwanduza abandi.
Yeah, I don't want to get down there either.
Naye ntabwo nakwishimira ko wajyayo ati sasa bariya uyu yabahunze buriya iyo umuntu aramuza arwaye nk'indwara runaka ijyanye n'uguhumekero ushobora kuba yakwandutse.
Like a tomb.
Hariya nyina mwenye ameze nk'irimbi.
She get some rest.
Sana ashaka kuri ko aruhuka. Ntabwo naruhukira ahantu uri. Iki cyo nta muntu utakizira mu kigo. Ibintu byo kwibyimbya kwegira wa danger. Kureba hanze iri ne persone pa. Aba nabo hakuno.
Hey.
Yewe.
Find anything interesting?
Arashye nawe ubonye gitangaje se?
Not anything that can help us.
Na kimwe cyadufasha.
Hey, do you think it might have been like a terrorist strike?
Hasi urakeka atari ngiye byaba byateye kuri power plant. Nako kuri chemical plant.
I mean, Mary did say she saw some smoke rising from the plant right before the explosion.
Ataro atubwiye ko ashaka ko yabonye ibintu by'imyotsi mbere ko hano haturika.
It would take a powerful bomb to cause what happened out there.
Ati wasanga n'imbaraga z'igisasu zazamutse kwa kundi igisasu cyo guturuka akabanza imyotsi.
And they're not so easy to make.
Nta wamenye icyabiteye.
You know about making bombs?
Bana ibintu bijyanye no gukora ibisasu hari cyo aho biziho.
My dad was a chemist.
Ati papa njye ari umushimiste.
So he used to do experiments with me instead of playing with dolls.
Yajyaga akora ama experiment cyangwa se ubushakashatsi turi kumwe.
Tea parties and that sort
kugira ngo meze nk'unyine ni upenyira umwana.
stuff.
Bintu nk'ibyo ngibyo.
Used to?
Naye sajya kubikora.
Was he at the plant today?
Nane se papa yari kuri plant uyu munsi.
He died a few years ago.
Papa njye yapfuye imyaka ingahe ishize. Hangane.
It's been a long time.
Ni igihe kirekire namamvu yo kumwana ihangane.
Betty would know exactly what's going on out there though.
Asibye ko nta n'uwamenye ibyari kujya mbere hari imbere yuko biba.
He worked at Keller then.
His whole life.
Ati yakoraga kuri Keller plant unati cyane.
He loved it.
Yaranabikundaga.
My parents worked there.
nanjye ababyeyi banjye bose bakora kuri iriya plant.
Smart parents.
Ababyeyi b'abahanga.
Yeah, they always wonder where I come from.
Hobwo nanjye wabonye ukuntu ababyeyi banjye ari abahanga bibazaho nakomotse bikabacanga. Atera maka blage.
It'd be awful to know that somebody actually did all this on purpose.
Ati ndimo ndibaza umuntu wabarubatse hano hantu maze yarahubatse kubera impamvu. Bubatse ikigo cy'ishuri ndari munsi y'ikigo baragenda bakamo umuntu bw'ubutanda ahantu umuntu yakwisha.
All right, guys.
Saba vandimwe rero. Coach.
We're going to decide what we do next.
Ejo nibwo tuzafata umwanzuro w'ikintu turi bukore gikurikira.
For now, I want you all to go up and find a place to get some shut eye.
We can stay and help.
Hey, no, you should go upstairs and get some rest.
Whatever you want.
You want me to look after you?
Mom and Dad want me to look after you.
Okay, great, then look after me upstairs.
Well, you're all gonna go upstairs. And peace. Get out.
Cyachumba kirimo abanyeshuri barwaye kirasigaramo coach wenyine abandi bazamuke. Sawa sawa. Arangije akingaho. Abanyeshuri baraha. Hana masanga arashira bakoze iki? Banduye. We naza kwirambika. Harafite gafoto. Imbara abana be na madamu. Wakareba tayari ko yakirambitse kumbe dore hirya ye hari uwegutse n'abanyeshuri. Hey, turore aba nabo ko baryamye. Tayari ko bano zipfumbatana.
Not a fan of cuddling?
Yewe ntago nkunda ko narapfumbatana. Nahise nkunda kubireba.
Public cuddling.
Ariko nibyo byo gupfumbatana bari mu bantu. Genda bifatanye.
Public.
Bayise cyaramo baganira.
So I'm guessing no boyfriend.
Yewe nta boyfriend so ufite.
Not anymore.
Yewe ntago nyimufite ukundi.
At the plant?
Yarari kuri plan se uyu munsi wa boyfriend wawe.
No.
Oh yeah.
Yes, but that's not what I meant.
Cyo nashaka kuvuga ntago ari icyo.
We broke up.
Twaratandukanye.
A couple days ago.
Haciye iminsi dutandukanye.
Sorry.
Pole.
I'm not.
Aramamvuye ko ngango pole.
You must have done something awful.
Banza yakora ikintu kitari cyiza.
Well, which time?
Je kiye ryari.
You don't strike me as someone who puts up with a lot.
Ariko mukuru ungaragarira nk'umuntu agikunda gukomeza ibintu.
So.
None.
Are you with somebody now?
Wowe ari umuntu mwamuri kumwe nka boyfriend wawe.
Not really.
Nanjye ntawe.
You're not sure?
Ntago nabyahana.
I'm sure that I don't have a regular boyfriend.
Icyo razana ari shuwa yacu nuko na boyfriend mfite ufatika.
You're better off.
Atabibaye byiza wanabireka. Kombe hano maniga nawe arema arabumva. Sasa hakuno ko bano bagakubisa gatotsi. Maniga we yiberaho kamajeshi ntabyo gusinzira. Sister,
wake up.
Kangura mushiki we muri iryo joro. Hakuno hano umunyeshuri usanga bupingana mu kigo.
How long are you going to keep this up?
Ase uzabikomeza kugeza ryari?
It's been forever.
Usanga byabaye byiteka ryose.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Ibyo vuganye sinzi n'ibyari byo.
The snark, the bitch face.
Byo kureba umuntu rwose umureba nka nta gaciro afite.
If I was giving you a bitch face, you'd know it.
Dore ndi kureba gutyo nk'intuza. Kureba nabi.
I'm sorry you can't understand what I did.
Ntabwo mbabare ntabwo wasobanukirwa ibyo nakoze.
Didn't have a choice.
Sibyo ko namahitamo nari mfite.
I can't understand it, and you totally did have a choice.
Hanjye sinsobanukirwa impamvu bwawe namahitamo wari ufite.
You didn't want anyone to think less of you, so you told everybody it was only.
Ntabwo ashaka ko hari umuntu atekereza muri class imbere yawe.
I'm not the only one who went off the rails that night.
Ati iryo joro ntabwo ari njye nasohotse mu kigo.
Yeah, but only one of us got in trouble.
Usibye ko ni njye nyine wagiye mu byago.
You know what my mom is like with me. She would never let me forget it.
ati mama wanjye arabizi ukuntu harakazwa n'umusore urabizi ko atambabarira.
Oh, and because my mom's just a waitress, it doesn't matter what she thinks?
none se mama wanjye ko ari umuseriveri niba mvuga ko atabitekerezaho bano bafite inzika zabo bahora bashotorana.
This is pointless.
Ibintu uvuga bitaturumvikana. Aba nabo hakuno ko bakaje yagize gutya.
Hey, what is this?
Yewe byaba ari ibiki?
It's a hairnet.
Wasanga ari hairnet. Sasa nta kigo cyaje barakaruka kantini. None uracheka mama na papa bakize se?
Yeah.
Cyane.
At least twice. Once for you and once for me.
Bagomba gukira inshuro ebyiri bagakira ku bwawe no ku bwanjye. Ntago bahita bapfa.
I can't believe you're making jokes.
Sinjani zirakudahura muri blague buri kanya mutera blague. Turi mu bibazo.
Better than being upset.
None kurakara ibyo bice muri kibazo se. Bapakira hakuno duporezo ko muri kantini. Babayo. Niki? Bumva. Nacho tugende.
You know, our house is really close to the plant.
Rabizi ko inyubako yacu turanye n'iriya plant yaturitse.
They might not have been home today.
Erega wasanga batari bari nimuhira.
You know, Mom loves to go shopping on Saturdays.
Urazi ko mama akunda kujya guhaha ku gatandatu.
She always makes Dad go with.
Kandi agomba kujyana na papa ko byagenda kose. Basanga bari bagiye guhaha tugende. Umusaza wako mugeze ndashaka gutuma gatekereza cyane. Kumbe mu kigindani. Hey, hari abandi maza zinjiyemo. Sasa hano haro arayitera ibishinge niba ari mugo.
So, do you really need another sweatshirt that looks exactly?
Abakene ndi undi mupira w'imbeho cyangwa.
Smell better.
Yewe ndikumva ina atari uhumura neza. Hano bagize abandi banyeshuri bagiye babika imyenda bayisize mu kigo. Hindukira maze nambare.
Yes, I can see up in the back.
Sawa naje ndakurebera inyuma. Ndatebano ibire mu mapenzi yakuno. Abandi bari mu bibazo.
You know, your stupidity might be the only reason you're alive.
Atirato bugati bwawe wasanga ariyo mpamvu kiri muzima.
Excuse me?
Ngo?
Yeah, I mean, if you hadn't been here trying to meet your crazy crush, then you probably
Atiyo tagarutse mu kigo uje kureba uriya mukobwa aratakunze ufite yo crush. Wakabaye bapfiriye mu rugo.
still would have been at home asleep
Wakabaye mu rugo uryamye bikana turi kutahari.
with no one to laugh at my sick jokes.
Ereka nawe ngutera blague enda wabyumva.
Maybe I will.
Wenda bizaca marata.
Why you were here.
Munyuma na nyuma nawe amenya n'uriya mukobwa azagukunda.
You wouldn't.
Unyinjirire.
It's not going to make a difference either way. You're never going to get her.
Terega no munatandukana byatangwa amano utamubona uzagumuri wowe.
Ever.
Not because I didn't try.
Yewe namubura wenda nzabana nagerageje. Do abibereye aha. Uretse ihangana.
I can't stop thinking about them.
Your brother's
probably
okay.
Musaza ameze neza umurashiri.
Your mom might have taken him over the hill to the mall after she dropped you off.
Erega mama yaje kudepoza no kushiwa sangari nandi yajanye na musaza wawe.
I want you to be right more than anything.
Ndashaka rwose unyumviza kurusha ibindi.
Look, we can't think about it.
Njye nta mpamvu yo kubitekereza.
So my parents, my sister.
Jya utekereza ababyeyi banjye mushiki wanjye.
Your brothers.
Basaza bawe.
Your mom. All okay.
Na mama ngo bumve ko bameze neza bihangayika bebe.
Hope so.
Niko naye mbiceka. Umura. Bakiraho. Baretse gato. Arajye numvishira. Yabaze ibiki bijya mbere.
Someone was here.
Narenze mwana ari jari.
Probably Noodle.
Ombara musore Noodle.
I'm gonna kick your ass when I find you.
Mwana nagushuta umumetse ngubonye bro. Tugendera ati. Bakiraho. Kumbe hano ruinje mwanduye. Patakananga baragigira. Maniga. Yari yaje gutereta. Kigira n'ikiga umuntu hano. Sasa bahindutse. Bashaka kurya abandi. Nimba babaye za zombie. Nibyo ntazi. Mugo baragigira. Maniga shoti kigabo. Box. Kijana hondagura. Senze sana. Kandi ngoto. Angije. Turoe. tayari ese umugabo umwuka. Hey, ibyo bazanaga by'amapenzi ntabwo ibintu bworoshye maniga arangije. Uzi ubwenge acaho, uzi ubwenge acaho. Dore icyo bita guhahamuka.
Oh my God.
Wasanga rundi aceceka. Tugomba gusubirayo kandi ntabwo byo kubwira abantu bibaye. Oya,
We just go see what's up there, okay?
tugende turebe ko arara bimeze. Arangije maniga afata ihombo. Baby gumi nyuma baby. Hey, hey. Maniga ihombo kiraho bafite ubwoba. Mana wejeri ka
What's with the weapon?
Ntwaro se ni iki mwana?
Just kill Mr. H.
Nishe Mr. H.
You just killed the janitor?
Wishe umunyamasuku.
Why would you do that?
Kigitumye umwicase.
Mr. H, but he wasn't Mr. H.
Ntabwo yarabaye Mr. H.
He was like a monster. He
yarameze nk'inyamaswa yatwatatse.
What are you guys talking about?
He
Uravuga ibiki bana?
attacked us. There was some.
Yatwatatse ari ibintu.
He was crazy.
Amaso yari yahindutse abaye nk'umusazi.
Oh, he was fast. He
Yari arimo arihuta.
came out of nowhere. He grabbed me.
Twabonye aturukaho tutazi ariko
Okay.
yaje amfata tuza mutuzi.
Okay, you two need to tell the others.
Mukeneye kubwira abandi.
We'll tell the coach and figure out what to do.
Turabwira coach nimubwira abandi mwabakanga.
Next.
Turebe icyo twakora gikurikira. Sibyo? Hano avuye kuzana ubuya urute n'udukino duporezo. Kugera hano babura abarwayi. Kumba bari. Coach. Kugira gutya. Abandi bose bahindutse bajya kuri coach baraporeza. Tayari. Nimba bahindutse zombies. Ibyo naramenya. Ubuya urute yakubise hasi. Hey. Baise freakish. Nakubwira cyari Sankara da premier wumva. Basotse mu kigo bababuza. Bahumeka imyuka yari hanze. Sistrazi. Uzu ubwenge. Biragenda byikurura. Fata gashikike. Wino. Aracyafata agakobwa. Cyakashinga menyo. Usaza wakaraga kurura. Tayari. Baragashike. Vuba. Tayari. Chuji kirakomeye. Nere yomba nkwereka. Babifungira namo. Hey. Tayari. Ibintu.
Vampires?
I don't know. The vampires, zombies,
zombies now.
mutants, freaks.
Freaks.
Does it matter? The coach was dead. Everyone was eating him.
They were drinking. I'm pretty sure they were drinking him.
The thing in the bookstore, it just tried to take a bite into me.
Addie would never do anything like this.
I think our definition of never has been radically changed.
Did you see Lyle?
We know he was in the shelter and no one down there was okay.
I need to see.
No, you can't.
We can't stop. Always ourselves. I need to get out of here.
We can't get out of here. Can't sit in here. It's not safe.
We should go out and find help.
If you want to leave, so be it. I'd rather not be trapped in here with fools.
Don't do it, dude.
What'd you just say? I don't know a simpler way to say fool. I'm gonna kill you. Revert to the basest of human behavior.
You should come with a translator.
He said you're animals.
Fighting each other is not helping anything.
Look, we know that they went out. They got sick. They came back and they transformed.
It's the air. It has to be.
So what do we do?
Are you asking him? I say, We treat it like we would if it was a radiation issue.
tugume mwana ndani ko cyangwa ari kibazo cy'imirasire y'izuba cyangwa se ikindi kibazo cy'imihumekere umwuka bahumetse.
Stay inside.
tugume mwana ndani.
Tape off all the windows and doors to limit
funga amadirisha n'imiryango.
contamination.
There could be more of them out there.
hano hanze wasanga hari n'abandi banduye.
What, we block all the entrances?
none dufunge imiryango yose yinjira cyane.
Oh, there could be more of them in here too.
wasanga hari ndani nabwo turi buhinduke mu kanya.
We're gonna die here.
Possibly.
Mano turapfira hano birashoboka nyine.
But do as I'm saying to improve your chances.
bivuze ngo tugume mwana twifungiye ne turebe uburyo twakwifasha.
Okay, so now what?
none n'igikurikira.
Break into twos. Search the building, make sure everything's locked.
dusatanemo ibice biri bamwe bagerageze kureba ko amadirishya n'imiryango ifunze.
While you sit back here.
none ugume hano wicaye.
I'm gonna try and ring the radio to ask for help.
ngiye kugerageza radio ndebe ko nabona ubufasha. sasa Gashya ka groove.
Do you mind?
yewe hari ikibazo.
Are you okay?
umeze neza.
Of course I'm okay.
umeze neza nyine nta kibazo.
That didn't seem okay.
ntabwo usanga umeze neza.
Fine, except my brother's trying to follow
umeze
me.
neza usibye musaza wanjye urimo yamujyana mu madushi naho ngiye mu bwiherero.
Go.
genda ariko.
Go.
sohoka. okay. mugenzi maniga arasohoka. Gashya kagafungura amazi. bumbe kureba neza Gashya ka groove kariwe. bivuze ngo mushya groove ukanya nawe arahinduka. Chegwe data we. nakubwira cyari Sankara dapime wumva. iya kabiri na cyakaruka igenze ni muti kuzikurikirana cyari wese samano. Hasta la vista. Bye se freakish. ndabakunda cyane cyane.